Guys, today is admin abuse. Today is just admin abuse. Today is admin abuse. And he actually said he's gonna run. He's gonna run.
So, join mo ako, Lauren. Ouch! Get off me!
Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna...
Go mutation to sa Ember Lily. Sa Ember. Ayun, no? Wow! Yeah, tinan mo kung magkano tong Ember Lily mo.
You know, I really like you and everything, but I just found someone else that I'm ready to spend the rest of my life.
No, I'm gonna keep this. Mag-aurora daw si John Paul. Ay.
Oh, we need to hit prehistoric plant. I don't know how to do it.
What's good, all my friends?
Let's see how we can do this. Archaeologist grade, ancient seed, amber.
Dito si Lauren eh.
Kaya tinan mo ito, meron ng golden na Ember Lily.
Why they have one?
Tinan mo kung magkano.
This is Soap Tango from Chicago!
My brother is in a different server. So yeah.
Ayan o, kita mo yan. 100 million.
Amazon wish list.
Oh, hi there.
He had it coming. He had it coming. He only had him away. He was a douchebag. And again, and let me tell you his name.
Ito isa tinan mo kung magkano.
This is Soap Tango from Chicago.
Hey Gio, I'm doing a video right now.
Nag-aurora ba?
Hindi. Naka-winstruck.
Okay, hindi pa lang.
One slave. Another slave. Another brutal monster. This never-ending road to slavery.
Okay, hindi ko naman pala
These
sila,
kids
no?
out here in Ohio, you know, to the ratio of one slave.
Higayin sa Messi. Ano pinapanood mo?
Basta, ang sexy naman. One more slay. Wow, golden. Pero magkano to? Yan, millions lang. Wow, ito.
Uy, Aurora.
Ha?
Aurora, I think. Aurora Borealis. Wow.
Ha?
Okay, today is Aurora. Let's see what's in the seeds. Here are the seeds that are in stock. Let's see.
Ano ba?
Nothing good. Giant pine cone.
Basta?
Hindi.
Oh, may sige.
We are gonna skip this one. Definitely. Probably. Here are the seeds in stock. What are in stock?
Aurora. Ako ng Aurora.
I'm gonna get a cacao. I'm gonna get my cacaos. I have a big cacao.
Eh, meron ka?
Oh. Oh. Ang dami nga cacao ko.
Di ba?
I'ma try to get this.
I wish I could be a Disney princess so I could have
What's into the mole?
Ano tayo,
Nice.
what? Trade nga tayo.
Oy, okay. Anyways,
Disney princess.
Sabihin mo sa kanila mag-ano muna kayo.
Little mice that turned into horses.
what is your red fox? What's your red fox doing?
I wish I could be a Disney round, 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 round.
This is here. What is it? Okay.
Bro, it's a moon. It's a moon. I love moon. I love moon. I wish I could be a Disney princess. Let's see what's in there.
Did you hear about the Pope and JD fans?
Oy, merong stock cabana. Merong stock na cabana.
Habana.
Cabana. Okay, no more Aurora, I guess. Okay.
Habana. Habana ko na.
Okay, let's see what we got left here. Horsedale, lingonberry, berry, stone dice. What's a stone dice?
Godly. Little toy. Little.
In stock?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get some.
Then pang medium 3. Wow.
Yeah, para sa pets mo yun.
They're not a dog, okay?
Yeah, it's a doggy.
That strawberry, a little bit of your
Wala naman ah. Wala naman ah.
Ano kay bata stock natin?
Okay.
Godly? Ano sa'yo?
Godly? What? Meron.
Bili ko naman pala.
Recolorings, probably, and then I could get. What did she say now?
Yun yung, mag-join na kayo sa public. Sabihin mo, let's go to public. It's more fun, sabihin mo.
Spooder naman. Spooderman with big lights.
Grabe.
Okay, my friend is gonna give me some sugar apples, so...
Sugar apple?
Yeah.
Simple lang naman yan. Mas maganda yung bagong
Maraming mutations.
mutation nila.
Basta. I'ma skip this, guys. Okay, so...
Oh. Starter raccoon? Oh wait, that has to be shiny.
Whoa. Yeah, so much.
We just love performing. We haven't been able to do that in a while. We love music, and we really wanted to bring our music to everyone.
Can you give it to me? Give it to me.
Shiny nga yung raccoon. Wait.
Ang tarakon?
Hindi, isang shiny na raccoon. Nakakita ako.
Okay.
Kasi nag-play ng gold.
Okay, let's see what's in stock today.
Okay. That's good. That's magkano?
Pia.
Oh.
Meron stock giant pine cone.
Sige.
Let's sell these.
Wala naman eh.
Di, meron talaga.
Sure ka?
Magkaiba lang yung sa'yo.
Wow, magkano yan?
How much is this word?
11 million?
Ang masaldas. What about this?
Mas expensive pa talagang sa akin dyan.
Skipping this. Yeah. Okay, my second one is 9 million. So yeah.
Alright.
How much is this word? Okay. Let me. I'ma sell this. Okay, that was good, I guess. She literally tried to.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Seriously, oh my gosh, why is it? Why is it that red fox? Come on. Come on. I'm gonna steal you. I'm gonna eat you.
Humingi ka sa kanya, Red Fox.
Oh my gosh, he get in. I'm here. Hey,
Oh, wait, yung mga crates ko pala, no?
come back here, you. Come back here, you nigger. Come, I mean,
Steven? Steve? Oh my God, Steve.
Watch this.
wait.
Wait.
Okay, my friend just left. So,
Hello?
wait.
Question?
No way. No way. Oh, hi, Hammy. My friend gave me this Hammy.
No.
It's cute. So, yeah. That's all, guys. So, I'm gonna update you guys if there's anything happening in Goa Garden. And yeah, bye, guys. Yeah.